Hi friends, HPCL Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited is given a notification for recruitment of engineers from various disciplines. Before going to the details, I request you to watch the video till end and also please like and don't forget to share with your friends. This will give me encouragement to do more videos and to give more updates like this. So let us see the details here. So here the last date of application is 15th April 2021, and if you see the vacancies and positions here, mechanical engineer vacancies are 120, and civil engineers 30, and electrical engineers 25 vacancies, instrumentation engineers 25, and if you see here, mechanical engineer means the position name, and qualifying disciplines or branches are mechanical and mechanical production. Civil engineering position, civil branch students are eligible, and electrical engineering, it's electrical and electronics students can apply, and instrumentation engineering position, instrumentation, instrumentation control engineering, electronics and instrumentation, and instrumentation and electronics. These branches can apply for these corresponding positions. And if you see the vacancy details category wise, so SC candidates 20, ST candidates 18, OBC non-creamy layers 49 vacancies, economically weaker sections candidates 20, and unreserved is 93. Total is 200 vacancies are there. And if you see the educational criteria, uh, candidates should possess 4 years full-time degree. This distance degree is not considered, and 60% of marks is required for general and OBC non-creamy layer candidates, and also economically weaker section candidates, and also 50% marks is required in the 4 years degree. That is the overall percentage of marks for SC, ST, and person with wage mark disability candidates. And also, if you see the selection process, which will contain computer based test, group task, and also personal interview. 3 stages are there, and the computer based test will contain 2 sections, that is general aptitude, which will consist of English language, quantitative aptitude, and intellectual potential, and also technical test, which will be from the corresponding branches, questions from the corresponding branches for the corresponding students. And also the candidates qualifying in the computer based test and also predetermined ratio, so they are advised to upload supporting documents. So further these documents means application, and also your score in the computer based test, and also category wise and discipline wise. So based upon all these, the candidates are shortlisted and called for the interview. And also in every section you are supposed to get minimum percentage of marks. So like this is there. And if you see the salary packages or pay scale, it is 50,000 to 1,60,000. And if it is a CTC, it is 15.17 lakhs, and which will contain all the allowances. And after selection, you have to go through the medical examination also. And if you see the reservation and relaxations, and also maximum age limit. Maximum age limit is 25 years, we have seen already. So this is a 25 years maximum age limit for all positions. Anyway, there is a age relaxation is given 5 years for SC, ST candidates, and 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer candidates, and 10 years for means person with disabilities. And here also there is a separate sections for person with disabilities, like this it is given. And also maximum age limit is relaxed by 5 years for who is domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir between this period, and also ex-servicemen, like this it is given. And application process, if you see, the last date is 15th April 2021, and you have to apply online mode only. So you have to visit the Hindustan Petroleum site. There you have to go for its current openings. So this link I will give in the description. And also you have to fill the application in proper way. Wrong applications are not considered. And if you see the application fee for SC, ST and PWBD candidates, there is no fee. They are exempted from the fee. And general candidates and OBC non-creamy layer and EWS candidates has to pay 1,180 rupees plus payment gateway charges banking. And you should confirm that it is your transaction should be successful. And only Indian nationals can be applied, and you have to visit the site. So I told I will give this site link in the description. And before applying, you should contain a valid mail ID, and that should be preserved for 1 year, and also phone number. And you have to first of all register in the. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you.